Hey guys, Kelly Cook here with the Kelly Cook Real Estate Group and the Phoenix and Scottsdale Real Estate Show.com, episode number 6. Okay, we are out live on location here doing a local business snapshot, and today we're talking insurance. Okay, so insurance coincides a lot with real estate. You want to make sure you have proper coverage for your assets, whether it's real estate or any assets you have. So how do you know you're properly covered? Well, we're going to cover that here in just a second, and we're going to introduce you to a local business here that is a great resource for you if you have any insurance questions. So stay tuned and come on back. We'll be talking insurance here in just 2 seconds. Welcome back to the Phoenix and Scottsdale Real Estate Show. And before we get started really quick, as always, if you want to see any properties on the market, please click the property search just below right there. Likewise, if you want to see what the value of your home is today in this crazy market we're in, where it's a little up and down, please click the seller link below and that will be sent to you instantaneously. Okay, so episode 6, guys, we talked about doing insurance, and that's what we're here for. Obviously, you can see in the background, Farmers Insurance Agency, but we got our man Joel Reichs here with the Reichs Insurance Agency, the Farmers, and we're just going to ask him a couple questions as he's a phenomenal resource when it comes to insurance, and he's a local business owner like many of you are watching this video today. So Joel, thanks for joining us here today.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Thanks for having me.
You bet. We're going to knock this out pretty quick for our guests and viewers here, as I know time is always kind of the essence. And you want to get quick hits pretty fast and get in and out. Okay, so the first question, I would say, for me at least, and a lot of people out there kind of, when we're selling houses for folks, out there, is the misconception of insurance. If we sell a house, it's kind of easy. They know it's kind of a break in coverage. They're buying a new house. But what are some misconceptions that you see that people don't really understand when it comes to getting insurance quotes?
Sure. Well, a lot of people have their homeowner's insurance escrowed in their mortgage payments, and so they don't typically see, what's going on with their homeowner's insurance. They think they're covered, and that's it. Well, a common misconception is that actually you have the power to control what you're paying on your homeowner's insurance in a lot of cases. The common misconception is that you have to wait until your term renewal. And so you can actually change your homeowner's insurance or your carriers at any point in time. And so, that's not just with homeowners, but it's also with auto insurance policies as well.
So if you have an account right now that's being paid out of escrow with your loan company or mortgage company, and you just want to see if you can save some money on your overall payment, you can actually just call you up and get a quote for free.
Absolutely.
And break that, no problem?
Yeah, we take a consultative approach to determine what your needs are on your home, whether that's a landlord policy or a homeowner's policy for your own homes. And, we're able to look and see what your needs analysis is, and we can offer you a customized, tailored package for you and your families.
Cool, man. Well, that's really neat. I don't know that I was even aware of some of that stuff, but I'm going to have you quote some of my stuff now. Okay, so that segues perfect to my next question that I get, I think a lot of people get confused on sometimes is what are some, what's the proper coverage you need? And how do you know, if you have the proper coverage for whether it's a house or a car?
Sure. Well, a lot of people think that they have the coverage that they need, whether that's on home or auto. And, it's too often enough that I get a call from a client who just got rear-ended, and unfortunately they got rear-ended by somebody that didn't have insurance. And, in the event of something like that, you want to make sure that you've got sufficient coverage to not only repair your vehicle, but to also cover any medical payments that you might have. It happens all the time.
Awesome. That's very important, and I think that's way more important to have a local person, an agent you could call, as opposed to calling just an 800 number, and not knowing who you're going to really talk to.
Absolutely.
There's got to be value in that, right?
Yeah, of course. And that's a huge benefit is that, you've got somebody that that has worked with you in the past, that understands what your needs are.
Absolutely. That's huge.
Yeah, absolutely. It's not just a 1-800 number to save you 15% on your auto insurance.
Yeah.
It truly is determining what your needs are and make sure you've got sufficient coverage in the event of a claim.
Okay, awesome. Well, last but not least, I think the question is then, what are the different types of insurance types that you guys provide or you specialize in?
Yeah, absolutely. So, we definitely have several agents here that can help out with not just auto, but homeowners policies, renters policies, landlord policies. We also do commercial business policies, workers' compensation, and we can also do life insurance policies.
Okay. So on life, let's just really quick here. Let's touch on that for a second, because on life, I don't know that people understand how inexpensive and cheap that can be, which can give you a big coverage payout in the event something tragic happens.
Sure. It's it is dependent upon age, but what a lot of people don't understand is that a simple term life policy is very, very inexpensive. You could sometimes get a $50,000 face value, which would pay out upon death. Sometimes as low as $20 a month. I can't say, I can actually speak from personal experience. I unfortunately lost both of my parents within 12 months of each other, and neither one of them had any sort of life insurance. One of the benefits of protecting your family and with just a simple term, that could afford them the services and really helps them out from the standpoint that it gives your family time to grieve in the event of something tragic.
Yeah. Wow. That's holy cow. That's words to live by right there. That's pretty wise to do something like that. At least look into it, guys. It's so cheap. Look into it. Joel, I know you guys do free quotes all day long for people. If they want to contact you for a quote on anything, auto, house, life, renters, whatever, commercial, what's the best way to reach you?
Yeah, best way to reach us, our phone number here, we're local, 480-900-8466. You can also reach me at jreikes, that's JREIKES, at farmersagent.com.
Awesome. All right, guys, thank you so much as always. As you know, we are big proponents for supporting local businesses, so that's why we're here today. And we will be doing more of this as we move forward. If you guys have any suggestions of people, businesses that you would like us to feature and spotlight, we'd be happy to do so. Just send us an email to info@kellycookhomes.com. And you always know you can reach us at 480-442-9868. Joel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. We'll do what we can to support you. Okay.
Appreciate it. Thank
Thanks,
you for
guys.
having us.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.